Have you ever met someone new and completely blanked out when they asked, "Tell me about yourself"?
Oh, yes! It's so awkward. You just stand there like, uh. But today, we're going to fix that.
Exactly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say when introducing yourself in English. And you'll sound confident and natural, even if you're a beginner.
And don't worry, we'll keep it super simple even if you're just starting to learn English. Welcome to Mr. Lanuig channel, the place where learning English is fun, easy, and stress-free. In today's episode, we'll break down how to start your introduction.
All right? Step 1 is introducing your name. You don't need anything fancy. Just say, "Hi, my name is John." Or, "Hello, I'm John."
And if you want to sound a little more casual, you can even say, "Hey, I'm Sarah." Simple, right? Now you try. Say it out loud with us. "Hi, my name is Harry." Next, people usually want to know where you're from. This is easy. Just say, "I'm from Canada," or "I live in New York." You can also combine steps 1 and 2. "Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm from Canada." Boom. 2 steps done in 1 sentence. You can also combine steps 1 and 2. "Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm from Canada." Boom. 2 steps done in 1 sentence.
Your turn. Imagine you're introducing yourself to us. What would you say? Now let's make things interesting. Sharing a hobby helps people connect with you and start a real conversation.
For example, I could say, "I love cooking and trying new recipes," or "I enjoy playing football." Watch this. Here's how it all comes together. "Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm from Canada and I love painting and reading books."
Finally, let's end your introduction politely. Here are 2 easy options. "It's nice to meet you." "I'm happy to be here."
Here's a full example with everything we learned today. "Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm from Canada. I love painting and reading books. It's nice to meet you." Perfect, right? Now it's your turn. Pause the video and practice introducing yourself out loud. Then, write your introduction in the comments below. We'll read a few and give you some feedback.
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to learn English.
Quick recap. Today we covered Step 1, your name. Step 2, where you're from. Step 3, your hobbies and interests. Step 4, how to end politely. Now you have everything you need to introduce yourself with confidence.
Thanks for hanging out with us today.
Next time, we'll teach you how to keep the conversation going after you introduce yourself.
So hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and get ready to level up your English skills. See you in the next video. And remember, practice makes perfect.